My name's Madalyne Frank. I've been with Henry for about a year and a half. Recently graduated from St. Louis Community College in the kitchen and bath design program. I interned here and I started out as a receptionist, and then I worked my way up to sales and design team. I've known from a young age that I like to make spaces look pretty. I was always doing my bedroom, and then as I got older that turned into family and friend spaces. And I just know from early on that I've always wanted to be in this business. I did take a hiatus, but I always came back. This was my calling. Home is where you spend your time relaxing. You should be comfortable in it. You should be proud of it. In my designs, I always do my best to listen to my clients, give them their wants and needs as best as possible with staying within their budget. And then sometimes I get ideas flooded to me, and then I like to present those to them to show them things that they might not have thought of initially that would enhance their spaces and their functionality. Where you spend most of your time in your home is your kitchen and your bath. You want to make it special and unique to you.